Hello from Sacramento International Airport. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick. So it was very straightforward here with American Airlines. There is not a heavy load on board this flight and it looks like I've got a row to myself. So now to head through security and maybe get a cup of coffee on the other side.
I don't know if you know where to start, but I know where you'd like to be. I'm afraid that I've lost.
Going through security was, as always in the United States with TSA Pre, an absolute breeze. Looks like my flight is on time.
That it's cost you a lot to be like.
Now I'm settled with a cup of coffee and I've ordered some kind of healthy hot pocket. Smells healthy. Today's flight is with American Airlines AA1077 from here in Sacramento to San Jose Cabo, SJD in Mexico. Cabo is on the Baja Sur Peninsula. We expect the equipment today to be an Airbus A320. On this Riverdance Revisited tour, I've experienced Delta Comfort Plus, Delta Coach, Alaska First, and Alaska Coach. So this is going to be American Coach. Let's see what it's like. Healthy.
And you're winking your toes. You got eyeballing down to an art and it's working too well in.
As long as you know where you're going.
Well, baby.
I need someone to talk to when you're hiding from me. So you're all and just walk through the rain and be like the rest of us. Yeah, be like the rest of us. I've been waiting so long for the storm to.
Flying time once we're in the air. It is an absolutely gorgeous day to fly to Land's End. No significant weather, no turbulence in the forecast. Although, I will remind you, it's difficult to fly for 2.5 hours and not find a few bumps in the air along the way. Forecast weather in Cabo today, 89 degrees.
I would like to be the first to welcome you to San Jose del Cabo. The local time is 2:44.
It's been a bit of a trek here at Cabo because we've been going round and round for about 45 minutes, something like that. I'm still hoping to pull into a gate. So that was the bumpiest ride on this trip so far. I think my camera has to go off until we go through, so I'll see you the other side. What a shock. It's really an absolute mess trying to get through passport control. It's a bit of a mess trying to get through customs, but I found Ronan and we're here at last. We're hoping that our future will involve margaritas. It's lovely and warm apart from anything else. We're trying to find out how to get our rental car. We were hoping to get into that little bus to go over to 6th, but Brian and Margaret, what was it, more bags than Brian Thomas. Here's our friend from Sixth at last. Feel the motion. As you know, all cars that I drive get a special name, and this one is called Maria because the number plate says Ave. All right, so we're heading from here up to our Airbnb. I'm looking forward to that and getting checked in. It's taken a lot longer than we expected, but what can you do? Right. What do you think of the new glasses? These are Ronans. Mine are at the bottom of the bag somewhere. I feel very glamorous all of a sudden, or like a giant bug. One of the two. All is good. Don to the hood. Gracias por todo, cariños. This is us crossing a dry river. I think we're in the right place though. We have just arrived here at Bahia del something or other, and we're about to go and check in. We've just had a lovely tour of our Airbnb from Diana, who owns it. As you can see, it's really lovely, but it's been such a long day. We're gonna go and get something to eat and have a margarita and enjoy the warm, balmy evening here in Mexico. So I'm gonna switch off and I'll do a tour of the Airbnb in the next couple of days. Thank you so much for joining me for this episode of Planet Patrick from here in Cabo San Lucas in Mexico. Look forward to seeing you again in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. I'm Patrick Hughes and this is Planet Patrick.